You think the ground you're standing on is solid, right? Well, think again. Beneath our feet, there's a world of molten fire and insane pressure, constantly shifting and reshaping our planet. From volcanoes that can change the weather to earthquakes that can literally move cities. We're about to explore some unreal facts about the most powerful forces on Earth. Let's start with volcanoes. They aren't just mountains. They're windows into the planet's fiery heart. The hottest lava ever recorded, from Ethiopia's Oreta ale Volcano, blazed at over 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit. To put that in perspective, that's hot enough to melt steel. But get this not. All volcanoes erupt with fire. In places like Iceland and Antarctica, subglacial volcanoes are buried under miles of ice. When they blow, they melt the ice from below, triggering massive floods that can carve out new landscapes in a matter of minutes. Here's something even more mind-blowing. Volcanoes can create new land right before our eyes. In 2013, an underwater eruption off the coast of Japan gave birth to a brand new island. It just kept growing and growing, eventually merging with a nearby island. It's living proof that our planet is still building itself. Volcanoes don't just change the land, they can change the entire climate. When Mount Pinatubo erupted in 1991, it shot so much ash and gas into the atmosphere that it actually cooled the whole planet. Global temperatures dropped by almost a full degree for several years. Imagine that one single volcano altering the world's weather. Now, let's talk about Earthquake City. Planet's sudden, violent way of letting off steam. The ground might seem still, but it's always moving. Thousands of tiny quakes happen every year, most too weak for us to even feel. But when that energy builds up along fault lines, the release can be catastrophic. The strongest earthquake ever recorded hit Chile in 1960 with a magnitude of 9.5. It was so powerful it actually shortened the Earth's day by a few microseconds by changing the planet's rotation. The shockwaves triggered tsunamis that traveled all the way to Japan and the Philippines. And here's a truly strange phenomenon. Earthquakes can make solid ground turn to liquid. It's a process called liquefaction, where soil suddenly loses its strength and starts flowing like quicksand. Buildings sink, roads warp, and entire neighborhoods can just collapse in seconds. But quakes aren't just an Earth thing. Scientists have found moonquakes on our moon and Marsquakes on Mars, proving that other worlds are geologically active too. Volcanoes and earthquakes can be terrifying, but they're also essential. They created the continents, the mountains, and the fertile soil we depend on. Every eruption and every tremor is a reminder that our planet isn't just a rock in space, it is alive, breathing, and constantly changing. Thanks for watching. If you found these facts as incredible as I did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into our amazing world. See you in the next one.